Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, welcome back to another episode of One Man and His Boat. You're probably wondering where I've been for the last couple of weeks. I'll explain all after the intro. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for joining us again for another episode of One Man and His Boat. The reason that we actually had some time off was basically because you were up to date. We couldn't do any more than what we've already done. It takes a lot of time to edit these videos and I just didn't have time between doing admin, which we've still got to do. Even though we're not at sea, we've still got the account to keep happy, the VAT people to keep happy. The van was in for a service and MOT, which it failed on. So we were basically goosed that week. So I just thought, right, we'll have a couple of weeks off and I'll try and catch up with some vlogging. Unfortunately, that's not happened very well. So we're on to our next stage now. And I've got a couple of days this week I need to get on with things. But for today, at least, I can get on with a little few jobs. So I'm going to be quiet now and I'm going to get on with it.
I are working here this afternoon is evidence of that.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what do you think of that? Not too shabby, eh? And that's only the first coat too. We've still got to sand it down again and give it a top coat. Hopefully that'll make it look, wow, perfect. That was exactly the finish that I'm looking for. But unfortunately, I can't show you that, guys, because I'm out of time. 7 to 10 minutes, that's all I can do for you now, guys, because of this mini sort of lockdown idea, and I can't get to my mother's, who lives in a town, to upload these videos. Then we're stuck to the 7-minute thing, and that takes me 5.5 hours at that. So without further ado, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel, that's the important one. And tick the notification bells, and YouTube will make you feel very special indeed, my friends. Until next week, all the very best, my friends.